Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my Pet Grooming Business Plan Template for 2023. And in some aspects, I've used artificial intelligence research to do so. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll share with you all some updates I've made to the Pet Grooming Business Plan Template for 2023. All right, so let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the updates I made to the Pet Grooming Business Plan Template for 2023. And the first update that I made was for the company description section. Specifically, I updated the pet grooming summary as well as the services provided. For both of these sections, I went ahead and reworded the information to the best reflect a general pet grooming company without being too specific. And I also used AI to go ahead and make it a little bit flowery, add some details and to make it sound more appealing. Just also keep in mind, as always, you are able to go ahead and update this and modify the wording as you see fit. And the second update that I made was for industry research. As we all know, if you're going to write a business plan, by golly gee, you better have some current industry research. And I do have a subscription to what's called IBIS World. In my most humble of opinions, they are the industry leader in industry research. So I access my account and I search the pet grooming and boarding industry. And then I summarize the information provided in the report to reflect the revenues, profits, profit margins, the businesses, wages, etc., as well as I summarize the industry discussions as to what are some of the services they provide. And the final update that I made to my Pet Grooming Business Plan Template for 2023 is that I made the financial projections, specifically the profit and loss for the first year, more customizable. Specifically, if you go to the profit and loss tab right here, underneath you'll see the sales growth. You are now able to change the sales growth for the first year on a monthly basis to best reflect your projections for the first year. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.